My name is Badeshere Aboyadeko, the Creative Director for Badeshere Lagos. As a Yoruba person, we are pushed to name our children in what we actually want them to be. Badeshere Lagos was coined out of my actual name, which is Play with the Crown in Yoruba. We chose that as the brand name because that is what we want every of our clients to feel like, to feel royal, to look royal. So for us, Badeshere Lagos is a standing that every man, regardless of who you are in society, your financial standing, when you are wearing our piece, you, for us, are royalty. For our processes, it's more spiritual than anything, if I may say. For me, it's my travels, it's my exposure, it's the things that I see, it's the people that I speak with in various parts of the world. I think the best place that I get most of my inspiration is in Lagos. And Lagos is filled with too many experiences. For us, it's more of what we find out there and what we have inside of us. So we merge that with the outside and the inside, and we try to make that in a garment that, speaks. The love for the culture, the love for fabrics, all boils down to the love of where I come from. The Yoruba race, which spans from Ife to Oyo to Lagos. So as a Yoruba man, I tend to fuse this culture into garments, and that's why this next collection took us on a journey to the old Oyo Empire. For me, the next collection is all about telling a story of where I come from, telling a story of my people, telling a story of an ancient craft that has been there for the longest time, since the 18th century, and preserving such skill and such art. The world is used to what they have. If you go to Paris, they use their own fabric, which is made in their own community. So what we would like to do is show the world what we have. We can always grow the continent of Africa by looking inwards. What we are working with is producing homegrown fabrics into jackets, into trench coats, into blazers. What I would like you guys to look out for in this collection is originality. Every piece you wear with this new collection is you wearing something from history. You can always use this collection to find your way back home. We hope that as you wear this garment, you take a journey back in time to feel what the kings felt, to feel like one of us, sharing our love for culture through our garments.